Survival analysis videos are pulling in massive view counts because people are obsessed with testing their odds against history's worst disasters. In this tutorial, you will learn how to build these high-tension 2D animated breakdowns step by step from scratch. Start by clicking the link in the description to open the Survival Odds Disaster Breakdown GPT. It opens directly inside GPT. Click the Start Chat button. For this example, type sinking of the Titanic into the message bar and hit enter. The GPT will now analyze the disaster through 5 distinct chronological phases. You will see it generate a bold header for the first phase, followed by a high-intensity description of the environmental hazard. Look at the code block right below that description. This is your first image prompt. Click the copy button in the top right corner of that grey code block. Now scroll down to phase 2. You will see the survival probability percentage and the next hazard description. Click the copy button on the second code block to grab that prompt. Continue scrolling through phase 3, 4 and 5. Click the copy button for every single code block until you have all 5 prompts saved. If you want a full script for your video, type write the voiceover for this disaster into the chat. The GPT will give you the exact narration you need for the final edit. Now open Google Flow. Click on the Create New Image button. You will see a text field at the top of the interface. Paste your first prompt from the GPT right there. Now look for the Model Selector drop-down menu. Click it and select Nano Banana 2. This model is specifically tuned for the atmospheric lighting and 2D stylized aesthetic we need. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for a vertical shot. Move the quality slider to high. Click the Generate button. While that image is processing, clear the text field. Paste your second prompt into the box. Hit Generate again. Repeat this process for all 5 phases until you have a complete visual sequence. Once the images appear in your gallery, click the download icon on each one to save them to your computer. Now go to FlexClip. Click on the Image to Video tool in the sidebar. Upload your first image from phase 1. Look for the model selector and choose Kling Standard 2.6. This model provides the most realistic physics for things like rising water or falling debris. In the motion prompt field, type slow cinematic zoom into the character's face. Click Generate. While that renders, upload your second image. In the motion prompt field for this one, type aggressive camera shake with water splashing. Hit Generate. Do this for all 5 images, so every phase of the disaster has its own unique motion clip. Download all 5 video files once they are finished. Now, if you want to skip the manual copying and pasting, there's a much faster way to scale this channel. We have everything ready for you inside our school community. Click the link in the description and go to the Survival Odds lesson. You'll find the master prompt list there. Copy those prompts and open our custom Airtable template. The link is right inside the lesson. Click Duplicate to move the template into your own workspace. Type your disaster topic into the column labeled Episode Idea. Click the Automation button at the top of the grid. The system will automatically generate all 5 narrative phases and image prompts in the background without you clicking a single extra button. It organizes everything into one dashboard so you can manage dozens of videos at once. Now your video needs an intense soundtrack. Go to FlexClip. In the music search bar, type Dark Cinematic Suspense. Pick a track with a heavy low-end beat to build tension. Click Download. Now stay in FlexClip and go to the Sound Effects tab. Search for metal creaking and rushing water. Download those files to add another layer of realism to the disaster. For the narration, go to 11 Labs. Paste the script the GPT wrote for you into the text box. Open the voice settings and select a voice that sounds deep and authoritative. Click the Generate button, and then click Download to save the audio file. Now open the FlexClip video editor. Import your 5 video clips, the suspenseful music, the sound effects, and your voiceover file. Drag the video clips onto the timeline in chronological order, from phase 1 to phase 5. Place the voiceover track on the layer above the video. Align the clips so the visual transitions match the moment the narrator mentions a new phase. Drop your music track onto the bottom layer. Lower the volume of the music to -15 decibels so the voice stays clear. Place your sound effects exactly where the action happens on screen. Trim the ends of the clips so there is no dead air. Your video is ready to post. To get the best results, use a scheduling tool instead of manual uploading. If you want a simple setup, use Metricool to sync your posts to TikTok and Reels simultaneously. If you want a professional workflow, use Vista Social. Upload your final video file and write a high-hook caption. Select YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels as your destinations. Schedule the post for a high-traffic time like 6 p.m. This allows you to batch create an entire week of disasters in one sitting. Everything you need from the GPT to the Airtable template is in the school community. Link in the description.